In this video, we're going to learn about Pipekit, the control plane for Argo Workflows. Pipekit provides powerful observability and metrics that enable you to monitor the health of your workflows and your Argo server. With Pipekit, you can also get visibility into how your workflows are interacting with the Kubernetes control plane of your cluster. You can also get visibility into the health of the pods created and managed by Argo Workflows. Additionally, Pipekit gives you insights into the health and performance of the Kubernetes nodes in your cluster. Let's take a look at runs and pipes in Pipekit. From the Runs tab, you can manage your workflows across multiple clusters. When you drill into a workflow run, you'll get a rich graph visualization of that run, helping you view the system in an all-new way. You'll also have access to superior pod log visualization. Of course, you're able to filter these logs across a variety of dimensions to help suit your various diagnostic needs. The Logs UX also makes log metadata readily available, enabling you to dig deep into workflow's behavior. In addition to pod logs, Pipekit makes workflow logs readily available for easy debugging. Now we'll look at GitOps for workflows. Pipekit provides powerful GitOps features, enabling you to integrate with your Git repository service and set up triggers for your workflows to run based on a range of Git-related run conditions. With Pipekit, you'll also get convenient workflow-level secrets management. Altogether, Pipekit's graph visualization and logging features make it easy to debug workflow failures. With Pipekit, you have the ability to build a library of workflow templates that can be reused for common workflow scenarios. Each workflow template is versioned to give you the flexibility to submit precisely the right version of the workflow. We understand that workflows can be resource intensive. That's why Pipekit is built from the ground up to support running workflows across multiple clusters. Additionally, we understand that as your needs grow and as your project grows, so does your need for advanced permissioning capabilities. We provide powerful permission controls that give admins granular controls over what operations particular users can and cannot do. Now, let's take a look at writing Python workflows with Hera. With Hera and Pipekit's Python SDK, Pipekit provides great support for writing Python code to manage your workflows. We're here to simplify workflow development because we want you to focus on your complex data workflows, not writing complex code. Here at Pipekit, we're proud to help enterprises scale up their data pipelines using Kubernetes. Kubernetes and the Argo project are both incredibly important to our team. We are, after all, a team of Argo and Kubernetes experts, many of whom are active maintainers of and contributors to the Argo Workflows open source project. Pipekit's specialty is helping enterprises get the most out of Argo and Kubernetes. We provide enterprise support services to a wide array of enterprises across many different industries. From all of us here at Pipekit, thanks so much for watching this video. If you'd like to find out more about Pipekit and how we can help you, head on over to www.pipekit.io. We look forward to helping you.